every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. It's one of those battleground states you hear about every 4 years. When you see that he can't even go to a foreign country without getting into a public feud with the president, I think the answer is clear. Donald Trump does not have the temperament to be our commander-in-chief.
He seems to have this bizarre attraction to dictators, including Putin. He won't tell us where he owes $650 million. There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, got some water? Yep. About an hour.
How are your allergies?
Better. Now the advice, of course, is just don't talk for a day. Yeah, that's not going to work.
How are you going to manage that?
Yeah, I'm not going to handle it. I'm just going to keep talking and hope that power through by tomorrow will be fine.
Do you get the meds or anything like that?
I just upped my antihistamine. Try to break through it. As I said, it happens like twice a year. It happens in spring when the pollen comes, and it happens in fall when the pollen comes. It happens a couple of days and then it disappears. But there is a long, I'm sure, video record that someone is compiling right now. Oh yeah, going back decades. What?
Trump's campaign manager said you might be allergic to media.
Yeah, I'm allergic to him. That's what I said.